How's it going, Savage Life family? Today I got a very cheap play for you guys to play with here, and it is Tyme Technologies. Now, Tyme Technologies has had very huge movement in the past month. In February here, you can see it was a penny stock sitting around this $1 range, and it spiked on February 2nd to February 3rd through a sort of momentum short squeeze that they were trying to pull from the stock, since they did register a direct offering of over 40 million shares in its common stocks in order to expand and further proceed in these clinical trials that they are doing. So what Tyme Technology is a clinical stage biotech company which develops cancer-based therapies, and they currently have a clinical trial for Tyme SE, which is in the second going to the third clinical trial phase to treat across 15 types of cancer, including pancreatic, lung, breast, prostate, sarcoma, and lymphoma. So this is one of those companies here that is trying to better the world in treating the incurable cancers at the current moment. So the company's therapeutic approach is designed to take advantage of a cancer cell's innate metabolic weaknesses to compromise its defenses, leading to cell death through oxidative stress and exposure to the body's natural immune system. So there has been huge activity, and especially effects to those day traders. But me myself, I'm not a day trader. That does not work for me, and that is not my sort of investment strategy. I am a swing trader. So if you guys took a look at Tyme Technologies, you can see that they had over 30 million in volume, and that's almost 4 times average for the market only. So Tyme is attracting a lot of investors and traders due to the fact that it's showing up on a lot of scanners and radars, and analysts gave the stock here a new price target. So I'll go ahead and get into that, but before I do, I just did want to verify that they did announce on the 3rd a registered direct offering of 40 million shares of its common stock, which means more shares afloat, which means more supply to fill for the demand. So it could create a catalyst for an explosion to come in the upcoming couple of weeks. So the gross proceeds of the offering were $100 million prior to deducting placement agent fees and other offering expenses payable by Tyme. So there are presently around 41 million or 13% of Tyme stock in the hands of institutional investors. The top 3 institutional investor holders of Tyme stocks are BlackRock with ownership of 4.4 million, which is approximately 5.96 of the company's market cap and around 39% of total institutional ownership. Vanguard Group is holding 2.4 million shares of the stock with an approximate value of 5.9 million in Tyme stock shares, and Healthcare Value Capital currently with $5.18 million in Tyme stock. So a lot of big institutions pouring a huge amount of money into Tyme because they believe this stock is going to shoot up. They believe this company holds value. When institutions pour huge amount, millions of dollars into companies, penny stock companies like this, it is rare, but in some occasions, especially for biotech and pharmaceutical companies, when they're doing successfully in their clinical trials, it's for a reason, ladies and gentlemen. This stock does have potential to blow up. So Tyme announced on February 3rd that it received notification that the United States Patent and Trademark Office has granted additional patent claims related to its metabolic technology platform, and the patent is directed for methods of treating the Rona. So COVID-19 is going to be another thing Tyme is going to be heading to fight off. So it seems this company here has a lot of things going on behind the scenes, and I want to go ahead and now look at the price target here. So 2 analysts gave Tyme Technologies a price target with a medium target of $8.75 a low target of $8 and a high estimate of $9.50 within the next 12-month range. But I truly believe it's not going to take 12 months for it to reach that stock price, as long as the momentum keeps rising up and volume keeps rising for the stock here, meaning hype keeps going on for Tyme. I believe it's only a matter of time before we see a major blow up. Now, this is a high risk, high reward play, meaning don't throw all your eggs in this basket, because as fast as it shoots up, it could go ahead and shoot back down. So I went ahead and dropped $1,000 today in the afternoon around 12 o'clock, and I'm currently only up $24, but my price range, like stated by the analyst, is going to be above that $6-7 price range. So we're going to go ahead and see how the momentum is pushing forward. I'll be paying attention to the RSI indicator and seeing when it's overly bought, overly sold, because we see here it roughly has a support around that $2.93 level. So I also bought an additional 75 shares on my long holding portfolio. So we'll go ahead and see what Tyme looks like. If it's looking very juicy for Tyme, I'll up my position, but at the current moment I'm just stable at 300 shares. If it does happen to hit that $8 price point, 5 times my $320 position is a $1,600 gain. So I don't see anything wrong with 100% gain, but be sure to have a stop loss with this company here, as like I stated, it could reverse on you very soon. My stop loss would be roughly around the low $2 range, probably the high $1.90 range. So I'll go ahead and give it time. Like I stated, I am a swing trader, so I'm going to be holding this stock for about a couple of weeks to see how it goes. It's still an early time to get in. Like stated by the analyst, that price target is at that $8 price point. So if you're seeing this video anytime soon and have some money to buy into the company, it wouldn't be a bad idea to throw a couple dollars and see where Tyme takes you. Recently, we have been seeing a lot of pharmaceutical companies blow up. OCGN blew up to over $16, $17, $18 here. Sava blew up to over $90 here. So biotech companies, when investing in these companies, they do have these catalyst potential to massively blow up. So pay attention to that. But remember, as fast as they blow up, they drop back down. As you can see here for OCGN, it went all the way up to $18 before plummeting down to this $12, $13 range, as well as Sava blowing up to over $90 to $100 before dropping back down to $50. So be extremely careful when playing these sort of pharmaceutical companies. So there you have it for Tyme. This is my current play. I'll keep you guys updated in the future to let you know how my position is doing. If you guys have any questions, drop it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next update. Smash that like, subscribe. See ya.
See you again.